Hello. This video presents an original design of a unique double-sided knit. It is a distant relative of English elastic stitch, but because of its ballasted structure, it is much more resistant to relaxation than it. The scheme consists of 2 loops and 4 rows. The sample is worked loosely and with thicker than usual hooks to create that light open work. The option of thicker yarn will also look original. We start from the right side. Row 1 is on the right side. After the edge loop, the repeat pattern is purl 1, yarn over, knit 1. Again, purl 1, yarn over, knit 1. Keep going in this manner till the end of the row. Row 2 is on the wrong side. After the edge loop, the repeat pattern is knit 1, purl 1, slip the yarn over loop and make 1 yarn over. Yarn over loops become 2. Again, knit 1, purl 1, yarn over, slip 1. Keep going in this manner till the end of the row. Row 3 is on the right side. After the edge loop, the repeat pattern is purl 1, slip the 2 yarn over loops on the right hook without knitting them, and knit 1, loop 2 rows down. Again, purl 1, slip 2, knit 1 2 rows down. Keep going in this manner till the end of the row. Row 4 is on the wrong side. After the last stitch, the repeat pattern is knit 1, purl 3 stitches together. Again, knit 1, and purl 3 stitches together. Keep going in this manner till the end of the row. I have presented you with a unique pattern of light and tight knit, an ideal choice for winter cardigans, capes, and scarves. I highly recommend it. If you'd like to check out my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift, visit knitnotspace.com. I appreciate you all being here. If you enjoy the video, please click the like button. Subscribe to the channel and notifications to watch all of my videos. I wish you inspiration. Knit joyfully and with affection. See you soon.